One more stock that could be in focus today is Tech Mahindra, after the company will be announcing their Q1 numbers today. Let's get in my colleague Jasmeet to give us a preview of what could be expect from this result. Jasmeet.
Tech Mahindra results around the corner, and here's what to expect from the results. While for FY26, the revenue is expected to rise by 0.2% and remain at 13,411 crores, while the EBIT is expected to rise by 7.17% and remain at 1,400 odd crores. When we look at the margins are expected to expand by 51 basis points and touch 11%, while compared to 10.5% in the previous quarter. When you look at the net profit, it's expected to rise by 1.92%. Now let's understand more about the technicalities of what to expect from the Q1. While with regards to deal wins, Citi expects the deal wins to range between 700 to 800 million dollar, while Jefferies expect the deal wins to remain between 600 to 800 million dollar. While when we look at FY27 margin guidance, management had said that they would want to reach a 15% EBIT margin. Given that management is at 9.6% as of FY25, so the margin is something to watch out for in the current con call. While the Nuvama also expects to watch out for the FY27 trajectory when it comes to the commentary. While we look at the key highlights of the management, firstly, Nuvama says company shall face a seasonally weaker quarter, while BofA expect deal win momentum to continue in the recent quarter. While the high-tech vertical and seasonality in the Comware business could see a pressure, says Jefferies, while the stock still remains a top pick by Motilal Oswal and HSBC. Now, what to watch out on the management commentary? Firstly, would be the trends in the banking and healthcare sector, while an update on the margin expansion program of the management, while lastly, the client tech spending behavior when it comes to communication sector. So these are the things to watch out for Tech Mahindra results.
Well, thanks for that, Jasmeet. So FY27 outlook, because the EBIT margin guidance is 15%, they reported 9.7 in FY25. So clutch of brokerages highlighting that as well. But time to look at some of the key stocks that you should keep on your radar today. My colleague Anushi is joining in with more on this. Anushi, good morning.
Hi, morning, Puneet. So I'll start off with Godavari Bio Refineries on first. Now, they have secured a Chinese patent. This is for the cancer treatment compound that we are looking at. The compound name is flashing on the screen as well. Now, this is used in the treatment of cancer that we are looking at. So this patent essentially covers novel class of compounds demonstrating strong inhibitory effects in terms of cancer and cancer stem cells that we are seeing. So an important update that we are seeing from this company coming by. The other stock in focus is also Biocon. Now, Biocon's Kirsty has got US FDA approval. This is an instituted aspart that we are looking at. It's the first interchangeable biosimilar for Novolog as well. Now, this approval means that it can be substituted at pharmacies without a new prescription needed. So, if you look at Novolog's annual sales that were at $1.2 billion in 2024, which indicates a large market for Biocon as well. Now, this drug is also currently under shortage as Novo Nordisk has shifted its focus to other products that we are looking at. Now, as per analyst estimates, 80 to 100 million is the kind of annual sales that could be expected for Kirsty. So a strong update that we are looking for Kirsty as well. Now, other than these two stocks, there are a handful of stocks which are in focus on the back of fundraising plans as well. I'll start off with JTEKT India. Now, here the company has proposed a rights issue of shares which adds up to about 250 crore. Net proceeds from these rights issue would be utilized towards construction of infrastructure for setting up a production facility in Gujarat. Along with that, they also have capex planned toward buying additional machinery and repayment of borrowings as well. Spandana Spurti, we saw some smart up moves in trade yesterday, and here they have approved issuance of shares worth about 400 crore via rights issue. Board meeting on July 18 to discuss more on this, and Yes Bank also considering fundraising plans. So these are a couple of stocks in focus.